So let's start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders backing down. And imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs, breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down, bring that right one up, and inhale, exhale to the left, and then swap the arms over, come in center, and inhale, exhale to the right. And then swap, come back to the middle. Make sure the body stays facing forward as you inhale, exhale to the left, and we swap, inhale, exhale, and back to the middle. Inhale, exhale over, and back to center. Inhale and exhale. And coming back, bring the arms down. So we'll warm up the legs, so we'll swing that left leg backwards and forwards. Remember, belly button squeezed in, using that focus point, something still to stare at to help with the balance. And swing the right leg backwards and forwards. Down, so back to the left leg. We're going to go from side to side. You just get your balance first, and then gradually make the movement bigger. But just remember, within your comfortable range. And then onto the other side. So right leg, side to side. Bring the legs down, and we'll do the balance pose, warrior 3. So standing on the right leg, bring the left leg up, and we'll inhale, exhale, bring the body forwards. So trying to keep the back flat and parallel to the ground. Coming on up, onto the other side. So bring that right leg up, and inhale, exhale, coming forwards. So don't worry about the leg on this one. Just concentrate on getting the body parallel to the ground and coming up. So we'll do 2 more each side. So inhale, exhale, coming forwards. So once you think you've got the body parallel, try and lift the leg up to hip height or wherever you get to. Onto the other side. So lifting that right leg, one inhale, exhale, come forwards. And once you're steady, try and lift the leg. So toes pointing down, hips facing downwards. And coming on up. So one more each side. So lifting that left leg, one inhale. Exhale forwards. Now if you want to take this further, bring the arms reaching forwards, and you can bring the palms together if you want to. And come on up. And the last one. Lifting that right leg. Inhale. Exhale forwards. Lifting the leg. If you want, bring the arms forwards. Maybe even palms together, and then coming on up. So standing pose, we'll do warrior 2. So start with the legs nice and wide, turn that left foot 90 degrees, back foot at a slightly angle. So we've got the front knee above the ankle, back leg straight, body facing forwards, and just gently turn the head. Again, keeping the pose active. So lengthen from fingertip to fingertip. And try and sink down through the middle. And bring the arms down, swap the feet around. So we've got that right knee above the ankle. Hips and shoulders facing forwards. And just gently turn the head. Remember to keep breathing. And bring the arms down. And we'll come on out. And finish with a good posture and the breathing. Shoulders back and down. Crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. And just let the belly expand on the in-breath. Bring the arms down and we're all done.